Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Albano of the Albano Clinic. You asked the question, how to get knee pain to go away, and we're going to answer it here with lifestyle and home remedies, but also answer the questions, how long does knee pain usually last? Can knee pain go away on its own? Why my knee is hurting so much? And how do you get rid of knee pain naturally? So for lifestyle and home remedies, first, you need to rest, and that's relative rest. Doesn't mean sit on the couch and eat bonbons. It means be active, but don't hurt the offending body area. So in this case, knee pain, if it's hurting you when you're running, well, you shouldn't run. You should do some other things like biking or swimming. Ice is the second thing. It's always good to ice 15 minutes on, 45 minutes off. That really helps to decrease the pain and the inflammation there. Compression is another thing that can help. You can use an ace bandage or a knee sleeve, something like that. And then elevate, and that means elevate above the body or above the heart, elevate the body part above the heart so that the swelling will decrease. Let's rest, ice, compress, and elevate. How long does knee pain usually last? Well, that depends on how severe the injury is. So it could be from a few days to forever. Um, Generally, a good rule of thumb is if it's hurting you more than a couple weeks, you should see a doctor. Can my knee pain go away on its own? Well, again, same thing. It depends on how severe. The answer is yes, it can go away on its own. However, I have a job because that doesn't always work. My knee is hurting. Why my knee is hurting so much? Well, it's your body telling you that there's something damaged in there. And if it's hurting you more with less and less activities, means there's more damage going on there. Definitely should see a physician for that. How do you get rid of knee pain naturally? That's the great question. I love that because this is what I like to do. So as I said, I have a job because knee pain doesn't just go away on its own all of the time. As we get older, that seems to be more and more the case. And there's some things we can do to help it. We can use your own body's blood, your own body's fat, your own body's bone marrow that have stem cells in the fat and the bone marrow. These can really help you a lot to get better. And that's our video today on how to get my knee pain to go away. Thanks.